In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set out of office in Outlook Web. First, open your browser and search for Outlook. Select Outlook on the web and sign in with your account. Make sure you're using the correct work or school account so your settings apply to the right mailbox. Once you're in your inbox, look to the top right corner of the page and click the Settings gear icon. A panel will open on the right. From there, go to Accounts and choose Automatic Replies. This is where you'll control everything related to your out-of-office message. Turn on Automatic Replies by switching the toggle to On. If you know exactly when you'll be away, check the option to send replies only during a time period. Then set your start and end dates and times. Outlook will automatically begin and stop sending replies within that window. If you skip the time range, your auto-reply will stay on indefinitely, so remember to come back and turn it off when you return. While your automatic replies are active, you can decide how your calendar behaves. You can block your calendar for the period you're away, which makes you appear busy and helps colleagues avoid scheduling over your time off. You can also automatically decline new invitations that arrive during that window, saving you from a full inbox when you come back. If meetings were already scheduled in that period, you can choose to decline and cancel those as well, which helps keep everyone informed and prevents no-shows. Next, type your out-of-office message in the text box. This message is what people inside your organization will receive. Keep it clear and helpful. Include the dates you're away, when you expect to respond, and who to contact for urgent matters. Short, friendly, and specific messages work best. If you also want to reply to people outside your organization, select the option to send replies outside your organization. You can choose to send it only to your contacts or to anyone who emails you. If you're enabling replies to anyone, avoid sharing internal details and keep the message general, like your return date and an alternate contact method. When everything looks good, click Save at the top or bottom of the window to activate your settings. Your out-of-office is now live. If you set a time range, it will turn off automatically when that period ends. If not, just return to automatic replies later and switch the toggle off when you're back. That's it. Your Outlook Web out-of-office is set.